Okay, leave her alone. She's gonna try to roll over again. Okay, yeah. Yeah, no, Blue, Bear, leave her alone. Oh, no, she's so close. Leave her. Yay! Good job! Or maybe you're supposed to roll over the other way. Maybe that was mostly like a fall. But anyway, it's exciting. Good job. Boys, boys, leave her alone. Leave her alone, okay? Yeah. Blue, oh, don't lick your wiener. Hey. Hey. You can roll over this way. Really good. I don't know if it's a big deal to roll over that way or this way. I don't know. But it's a big deal to Mommy. Blue, you don't have to be all over the baby stuff. Get off the blanket. Come here. Come here. Get off the blanket. No. Boys, get... Bear, no. Why do you have to steal all the baby's thunder? Huh? You don't need to be on her blanket. Bear. Hey, Mima. Hey, Mima. Hey, Mima. You gonna roll over again? Can we put